Hey, it's Gina with WTI, and if you're looking for salon quality hair that you can get yourself at home, then you're going to want to check out this amazing blowout brush that I got from AIMIKE. I recently got a new hairdo. It's got a lot of layers and bangs, and I was kind of at a loss about how I could make it look good myself. And I'm still working on my technique, but I know that this brush is helping me so much. So as you can see, I have medium length, fine hair. I got the medium size brush. This has a 2.9-inch diameter, and that's including the bristles. So notice the size comparison with this can of soda. If you have medium length hair like me, then this is the recommended size to get loose waves and really get a nice blowout. Aside from that, the quality of this brush is absolutely top of the line. So this is Nano thermal ceramic, and this has ionic tech. So that means it emits negative ions as you blow dry, and that helps to make your hair appear shiny and healthy. Also, I was super impressed at how quickly my hair dried. I didn't expect that. And that's thanks to the honeycomb design. It helps to evenly distribute heat. Also, this has shine enhancing boar bristles with heat resistant nylon. So that means that it's going to help to reduce static on your hair, so you'll have less frizz. So if you want to choose one of the many sizes of brushes that iMike offers, just check out the guide they have on their page to choose the right size for the length of hair that you have. I'm beyond pleased with this brush. I think you're going to love it too, and that's my point of view.